hashtag trending, breaking the charts, Hatha Yoga. What is it all about?
Hatha Yoga, as the word signifies, Hatha means one meaning for the word Hatha is stubborn, being stubborn and being adamant. Hatha karna. So it is actually that. I mean, come to think of it, because when you're doing these asanas in Hatha Yoga, your body is at breaking point sometimes, and it's like, I just can't do it. The body says I can't do it, and you are at it. You say, no, I am going to. You have to do it. Your system tells you have to do it. So that's the hut that you have with the body, and then the mind says, I've had it. I'm just not going to be able to do this. And you break those limitations and you continue with the postures. So that is Hatha in Hatha Yoga. But the true meaning of Hatha is Ha means sun and Tha means the moon. So in the yogic system, it is said that you have the sun and the moon within your system, within your body. And when you bring your body via these postures, you bring your body to a certain alignment so that the sun and the moon are balanced within you, within your system. So it is basically aligning Hatha Yoga. The term yoga would actually signify is aligning the internal system, the cosmic, the internal geometry of your system with the cosmic geometry. So that your system comes to a balance and everything gets downloaded automatically.
Fantastic. So from the universal database